Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I meant to do something like some sort of cool Halloween video or tutorial or something, but as you can probably hear, I got really sick. So, I'm just gonna be filming my regular monthly favorites video. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 favorites, and they're all really good, obviously. But let's just get right into it. My first favorite isn't makeup, but it is this Rio Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. It has no sulfates, no silicone, and no parabens. I got this in my boxy charm this month. I actually found out that it's not the full size, so they make the regular full size, they make this size, and they make a tiny size. And the boxy charm gave me the medium size. This is what the bottle looks like. I don't know why you can't see it. Anyway, so basically, whenever I get out of the shower, I shower about every other day. I have really dry skin and dry hair, so most people would shower every day, but I don't really have a reason to do that. I don't really sweat a lot or go outside and get dirty or anything like that, so I get a shower every other day, and I've been spraying this from my ears down on my hair, and I actually thought it would be like a pump where you pump it out on your hand and then rub it, and then I don't know, like a cream. Like most hair masks are cream consistency, but this is a spray, and I really like it. It just makes my hair more manageable and smooth. And like normally the day after I wash my hair, is pretty bad. Like if I wash my hair at night, the next morning and the next day, it's a bad hair day. Because it just is all tangled up. I don't know. It's just a mess after I wash my hair. But it doesn't really do that anymore now that I've been using this. It makes it smoother, more manageable, and less frizzy, I would say. Sort of like this. I don't know. I like it. I definitely recommend it. I cannot think because I have a cold and don't feel good. But, it's a really good hair mask. And I think you'll like it if you want, manageable, smooth, soft hair. Yeah. My next item also came in this month's boxy charm. This is the Pure Cosmetic Midnight Masquerade palette. And, this is it smells good. I never noticed it smelled good. It smells like vanilla. This is what it looks like. One side had eyeshadow, and the other side had, highlights and blushes. So, the reason I put it in my favorites video, I'm not really, I haven't been really using this a whole lot. So, this part of the palette is the part that I'm wanting to mention here. You get this really pretty highlight, this, very peachy, bright pink blush, and you've got this, like, bronzy color blush, and then this purpley color, for like deeper skin tones. But I kind of use the purple one too, so you don't really have to have a deeper skin tone. The shades are really pretty. They don't have glitter in them, but they aren't matte. Like, they are pretty glowy. I'm not wearing any today. I didn't really know I'd be filming today, but this is like my last chance to film But anytime I've been wearing, like, blush, highlight, bronzer, I've been using this. I think this palette is really good for travel because you get face stuff, eye stuff, and a little mirror. But I really only use it for the face palette. This palette is $38. I would recommend it for the face stuff. That's less than $10 for each little highlight and blush. And also you get eyeshadow, so. But the eyeshadows, they aren't really impressive. Like there's one matte. I normally wear about 2 or 3 mattes and like 1 shimmer. And this is 5 shimmers and 1 matte. So, not really my cup of tea. And also, the shimmer shades are a little bit hit and miss. But the face palette I really like and I really recommend. My next favorite is the Milani eyeshadow primer. This is a really great eyeshadow primer from the drugstore, or just in general. It doesn't provide a lot of coverage for your eyes. Like, I mean, I have a lot of veins on my eyes, but, I mean, honestly, it covers them well enough in my opinion. Like, I don't really see them right now. So I would say it has a little bit of coverage. But it's a really good base for, shimmers and stuff like that. Oh wait, I'm not wearing this. Oh my gosh, I cannot think. I'm wearing concealer on my eyes right now, not this. So this doesn't really have coverage for veins or discoloration on your eyelid, but it does make a pretty good base for your shimmery shades and stuff. And it has a pretty good amount of product in it, I think. What I like to do, hold on, let me show you. Okay, what I like to do is like to take my flat brush. You can use whatever flat brush you use for shimmers and whatnot. You can use whatever flat brush you have at home. But I use this one from the Hitos Trio from Alamar Cosmetics. Wow. The writing is already rubbed off my brush. Wow. I guess that tells you how much I love it. But I use it, and so before I do any eyeshadow, I put this all over my lid, from my brow bone to my lash line, and then I blend my matte shades, in my crease and whatnot, and then by then, the other eyeshadows have sort of like set this so that it's not really sticky. So, but I want it to be sticky in order for my shimmer to stick to it. So what I'll do is I'll take a little bit more of this on this, and I'll put it on like the very front inner corner area, like from inner corner to the middle of my lid. I'll put this on this, and then while there's still a little bit on the brush, that's whenever I will get my shimmer shade, and the shimmer shade actually sticks to the brush, sort of like whenever you spray it with setting spray. So not only does it stick to the primer on the lid, but it sticks to it on the brush, and it makes it very intense on the lid. I definitely recommend that you pick this up from the drugstore. It's really affordable and pretty good. My next item is this Estee Lauder Little Black Liner in the shade Onyx. I would show you what it looks like, but I can't open it, and I have to get someone else to open it, so. But I will insert some photos right here. This is a jewel ended, so one side is an ultra fine, and that's the one I use our little wing on today. And then the other end is the thick and thin, so I guess you can do a thick and thin line with it, but I don't know how to use it, so I only use the other one, but it is really precise. And at first I didn't really like it because the end, like the applicator, is so firm and it's not like flexible, but I used it and, just practicing with it, and now I really like it. I find it really easy to use. You can't really do the flip thing that you can do normally because it isn't flexible, but I have played around with it and I really like it. It's very pigmented, it is matte, it stays throughout the whole day. I don't know, I think it's the perfect eyeliner. And my last favorite is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm wearing this right now. I don't know if you can tell, but my lashes look amazing. This is the most unnatural mascara. It takes me the longest time to do mascara. Normally, for most people, that's like one of the fastest steps, but for me, I have to really finesse it, build it up, and make sure my lashes are perfect. Usually at the end, when I use it, my lashes are so black, so volumized. Honestly, it is the perfect mascara because what I always look for in a mascara is curl and separation because my lashes, they don't curl for anything, and I cannot stand when my lashes stick together. So this curls, separates, volumizes, lengthens, and it is the most black mascara, like, in the history of black. In the shade Super Black. Like, it is crazy. I've had it on for the whole day, so it doesn't look as good now, but, earlier, it made my lashes look like false lashes. So if you don't really love your lashes and you want them to look long and big and volumized, then definitely go for the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I believe it is like $18. No. It's $24 and totally worth it. It looks like this. It's pretty basic and it feels very expensive. It looks very sleek and it's a really nice mascara. I think everyone will like it since it does provide so many, everything you would want in a mascara. It has it. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been so sick. This is like the worst cold ever. Hopefully next year I'll make up for not doing any Halloween videos. But if you miss me between uploads, you can always follow me on Instagram. That'll be linked in the description below. You can also chat with me on Discord. I'll provide you with a link in the description below. That way we can hang out in between uploads. But I'll have all of my favorites linked down in the description below if you want to check them out. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!